Hello, Super Writers, and welcome back to another day of a writing job. Today, we are going to take our next step in completing our research project. Our target skill for today is I can choose a topic and take notes on it for a research report. A research report. Just as a reminder, in this research report, you are going to think of a topic. This topic is going to be an animal that you may not know a lot about. We are going to read a nonfiction or an informational text about this animal. We are going to take notes on this animal. And then eventually you are going to write a report to teach others about the animal that you learned about. So today, boys and girls, our job is going to be to choose our animal and our nonfiction text and to begin taking notes about that animal. Let's start. So friends, in your packet today, you have this note-taking sheet. It's a brainstorm map for you to take notes about your animal. When you make a choice, when you choose your animal, you're going to write its name in the center bubble. And then you will take notes around the outside in each box. Later, we will turn our notes into sentences. We are going to take notes about the animal's food. What does it eat? About its shelter. Where does it live? About its action. Does it swim or run? Does it have special body parts to help your animal do these things? What does the body of your animal look like? Does it have wings or fur? Does it have 4 legs? Or does it have hands? And then 2 fun facts that you learned about your animal. To find a nonfiction text, we are going to go to Epic. So if you ask an adult to help you sign into your Epic account, you will see that I have assigned this folder of books. There are all different types of animal books for you to choose from. Look through these animal books and find one that looks interesting to you. For example, if I chose this selection about bears, I would get to read all about bears. At the beginning of the book, I see the table of contents. What are bears? What bears can do? What bears eat? Where bears live? So, if I wanted to know right away what bears eat, I can slide my finger over and see that what bears eat is on page 14. Then, I could skip to page 14, where I learn about what bears eat. On this page, it tells me bears eat berries, nuts, grass, insects, and meat. I'm going to take that information that I learned and write it on my notes, on my brainstorm map. All right, boys and girls, we are going to be working on this today and tomorrow. So if you do not finish this sheet, that is okay. Our main goal for today is to choose your animal and your book. Have fun, first graders. I'll see you tomorrow.